Navier's electric flying boat is a fully electric hydrofoiling boat. Spanning 30 feet in length, this marvel combines luxury, speed, and environmental sustainability. Its hydrofoils lift the boat above the waves, improving efficiency and ensuring a smoother ride. With a top speed of 16 knots and a range of 75 nautical miles, this boat is ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. Featuring an advanced autopilot system, Navier aims to introduce full self-driving capabilities in future updates. Its interior blends modern design with advanced technology, offering an intuitive interface for controlling navigation, speed, and other systems. Whether you're cruising in luxury or cutting through waves, this boat redefines modern boating while setting new standards for sustainability and performance. The Riviera 64 sports motor yacht is the epitome of luxury and performance. Measuring 21.23 meters, it boasts remarkable speed and stability. Packed with premium electronics like Garmin and Raymarine and featuring high-end appliances from brands like Smeg and Bosch, this yacht ensures a comfortable journey for up to 8 guests. The yacht's multi-level design features expansive decks, a spacious galley, and panoramic windows that provide breathtaking ocean views. With a focus on both aesthetics and functionality, the Riviera 64 includes state-of-the-art stabilization systems for a smooth ride. Whether anchored or cruising at high speeds, this yacht offers unmatched luxury, making it a standout in the world of motor yachts. For adrenaline seekers, the Awake RÄVIK S22 is a high-performance electric surfboard that accelerates from 0 to 50 kilometers an hour in under 4 seconds. Powered by advanced jet propulsion, this surfboard offers agility and versatility with 3 speed modes. Designed for extreme riders, it's equipped with a durable carbon fiber hull and a powerful battery system that delivers up to 40 minutes of ride time on a single charge. The board's intuitive controls ensure precision handling, allowing riders to execute quick maneuvers effortlessly. Perfect for those who crave speed and excitement, the Awake RÄVIK S22 combines cutting-edge technology with thrilling water sports action. The Foilone Pegasus is an electric foiling boat crafted from carbon fiber. Equipped with dual 5 kilowatt-hour batteries and an 18.8 kilowatt motor, it achieves speeds of up to 30 knots and offers a cruising range exceeding 2 hours. Its lightweight construction, just 200 kilograms, ensures exceptional maneuverability and stability even in choppy waters. The Pegasus is designed with eco-conscious users in mind, featuring silent operation and zero emissions. Its sleek, minimalist design is complemented by advanced controls, including a touchscreen interface for monitoring speed, battery life, and navigation. With its emphasis on sustainability and performance, the Foilone Pegasus is a leader in electric watercraft innovation. The Seacat Columbia is an offshore tug and supply vessel renowned for its cutting-edge engineering. With a top speed of 31 knots and a fuel capacity of 16,000 liters, it's designed for demanding operations. Powered by MTU engines and Rolls-Royce water jets, the vessel is equipped for a variety of offshore tasks. Safety and comfort are top priorities, with features like suspension seats, satellite internet, and a spacious control deck that offers excellent visibility. The Seacat Columbia's rugged construction ensures durability, while its advanced navigation systems enable precise handling in challenging conditions. Whether serving as a supply vessel or supporting offshore installations, the Seacat Columbia delivers reliability and performance. The JetCycle Max is a single-seat foiling watercraft featuring carbon marine wings. Its user-friendly design includes adjustable foil height and takeoff systems, making it accessible for riders of various sizes and weights. With a lightweight frame and compact dimensions, the JetCycle Max is easy to transport and set up. The craft's electric motor provides a quiet yet powerful ride, reaching impressive speeds while maintaining stability. Built for both beginners and experienced users, the JetCycle Max offers customizable settings to suit different skill levels. This innovative watercraft combines fun and practicality, making it a popular choice for those seeking an exhilarating yet manageable water experience. The ScubaJet hybrid board is a versatile 2-in-1 watercraft that functions as both an e-foil and a jet board. It reaches top speeds of 50 kilometers an hour in e-foil mode and 40 kilometers an hour in jet board mode. Its battery provides up to 120 minutes of ride time, while Apple Watch integration allows riders to track their metrics seamlessly. Designed with portability in mind, the board is lightweight and easy to carry. It features a modular system, enabling users to switch between e-foil and jetboard configurations effortlessly. The Schiller S1C water bike is an electric marvel capable of speeds over 15 knots with a runtime of 2 hours. Compact enough to fit on a car's bike rack, this water bike features durable pontoons and integrated steering, making it a fun and practical choice for water enthusiasts. Its pedal assist technology ensures a smooth and efficient ride, while the electric motor provides an extra boost when needed. The bike's sleek design includes adjustable seating and handlebars for maximum comfort. Whether you're exploring calm lakes or coastal waters, the Schiller S1C offers a unique and enjoyable way to experience the water. Weighing just 24.9 kilograms, the JetSurf electric board is portable and versatile. With a top speed of 58 kilometers an hour, it offers intuitive controls for easy handling. The board's powerful electric motor ensures consistent performance, while its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and transport. A built-in alternator extends ride times, and adjustable handlebars enhance comfort and control. The JetSurf electric board is perfect for riders seeking a high-speed, high-performance watercraft that's also convenient and user-friendly. Its advanced design and reliable performance make it a favorite among water sports enthusiasts. The Maxi Dolphin MD-70 Power is a luxury cruiser capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 knots. Its lightweight design, crafted from carbon fiber and epoxy materials, ensures speed and efficiency. Featuring a walk-around layout and open-air living areas, this cruiser offers unparalleled comfort and style. The MD-70's spacious interior includes premium furnishings, a fully equipped galley, and multiple sleeping areas for extended trips. Advanced navigation systems and stabilization technology provide a smooth and enjoyable ride. Perfect for those seeking elegance and performance on the water, the Maxi Dolphin MD-70 Power sets a new standard in luxury cruising.